cabin, in our tent here. How we go, man? Nice tall tent. Got Dickie Zoom over here. John. We have a little tea. We actually forgot our coffee. That's a sin for the morning. Yeah, we got our stuff here. This little sage, cheese. A little old and new here. But primitive. Real nice here, man. Real nice. Got down to about 6 last night and very, very windy. But we're warm as toast in here. We're real good here. Yep. Stuff here, and we have plenty of provisions. And nice tent. Just kicking back. We're having a little English muffin with some cheese and bacon. And got the little spoon there. I know Cold Cracker likes that. Got a little sage. Oh, maybe I'll light some sage right now. Of course, I got the safety off that now. You see, got some tape on there. Got buds on there. So this, let's see, a little sage. It's good medicine, man. Look at that. There you go. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, John, take some of that.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
Good medicine, guys. And I'm gonna walk outside and kind of show you a leftover fire we had there. But I might just leave this burning right here for now. Put this up in here. Yep. Got a big cast iron tray that I restored. And my son was gonna throw it away. It was nasty. I'm just putting it up here as it. Hits the ground, that's okay.
Little fire starter for later on. That's good.
There you go. Very good, man.
Fight before, and I'm like, he's 18, he's drinking. He doesn't know who he's with.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay. So I'm like still being calm, like I'm always being calm, like, you know, like I'm not here to fight, you know, I'm not here to be an asshole or anything else. Where's your camera?
No, this is for social media. I don't need the fancy camera.
Good, Terry? You gonna be okay tonight? You gonna be okay tonight? As the smoke's, you gonna be okay? Snow's not even here yet.
Some in there?
Yeah.
This up. Ooh, a little hard there.
No, you won't get that back in.
No?
Just put it down. Yeah.
Well, we'll have to finish it first.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy!
Oh, that tastes good, man.
I can hold? Is there a gun we can shoot? There's a lot of Christmas trees over there.
Did you check the rate?
The fire in the background. If you don't get this right,
Exactly.
and if you don't get the cheers right, no, you got nothing in that.
Yeah, other cup.
Pour some here?
No, well, yeah,
No,
you can.
just
You
or
can,
that,
but-
whatever,
this
or
is
just use
clean.
that one.
If you need the
I do like this.
There you go.
no, one more, 15 more. Video? You're
What is
doing
that?
video, aren't you?
I'm on.
Come on, Marine.
No, not yet.
The Highland Games. This is what it's all about.
From nothing.
Come on, Jack.
Become something.
Come on. Throw it.
You see that?
Throw it.
I got it.
Kevin.
Oh, come on. You're not going to toss it?
Kevin.
Yes, I am.
Ireland is my island.
Are you guys in on this or are you not? No, stay where you're
Hey,
at.
all right, if you can do it, I'm
Throw
next.
it. We're ready, man.
Are you next?
I'm next. I'm next.
I might give it a go.
You remember how far we've come from?
I can't see it.
Yeah. Look how far we've come from. We are playing
We're losing light.
right now. Why is this in this field? I have no No, keep videotaping.
I got you. I got you.
Like the pipers are down.
You still got no gloves.
The pipers were down in this end. Kevin, don't get no frostbite, man.
Have you played the Highland Games before?
I did once.
Yeah.
With Shane. Remember Shane, man?
Shane. I remember Shane.
Rest his soul. We'll have a drink for him.
All right.
Come on,
You got
man.
it that far.
Come on.
Come on, man.
All right.
Come on, man. Who
Can you get it up and toss it over?
Toss it.
Really?
Toss
You got to
it.
flip it, I
Toss
think.
it. Toss it.
Okay. Can we go with video 2 yet?
All right, ready?
It's moving. I'm just telling you.
Your hands are going to freeze.
We have a
You need to stick them in your groin or something.
my video champion. Oh my god.
Come on. Come on. Toss it. Toss. That's it. Toss it. You want help? Hey,
No.
teamwork.
You ready?
Help. Help.
Not under that video. It's gotta be ready. Really?
Come on. Come on.
Really?
Do it.
You guys never seen this before?
Oh,
No,
yeah.
it could hit you guys.
I don't
Stop.
give a shit.
Stop.
Do
They
it.
can't hit us. Can't hit us.
We can negotiate this
All right.
out of the operation here.
I am the Scottish champion that you guys want me to be.
Do it.
My hands are
Do
cold
it.
with the camera. I can't imagine what your
Kevin.
hands are doing right now.
Kevin, stop jaw jacking and move that there.
All right, just give it a little toss. Just give it a little toss.
Toss it.
Ready?
You want my mittens?
Come on, on the count of 3. Quick toss.
Help me lift this.
What?
I will. You want
All right,
help?
all right,
You
Dad,
want
come
help?
on.
But then I will give you the throw you want to have. Come on, Dad. Okay, don't keep recording. Go record at this moment.
All right,
Oh my god. Wait. Cut.
Together.
cut.
Cut.
All right. Yes.
Come on.
Go.
Wait. All you have to do is go this far with it. So here, put your hands right here and there. That's it. That's all I need you for. Ready? Then I'm throwing it. Ready? No, wait. I have to get my hands underneath the bottom. No! Come on. You're going crazy.
Oh my God.
You ready? No. Let me bring it up. All right, together. Bring it up. Bring it up together. As Dave and Marie. Ready? We bring it up, and then we throw it. Go.
Do it. Yeah.
Nice, man. Beautiful. Beautiful little forest here.
All right.
Skeet out here. Kevin, take care of those hands when you get back.
Yeah.
Take care of those hands when you get back.
Oh, keep going.
Really?
Grab yourself a sandwich.
My little spoon, Ben. My little spoon here. I got that up here when we were up here in May.